Why driving has become an important skill in recent generation. Driving has become a value for both time and money by covering longer distances in lesser time as per our convenience. While learning driving, our focus, perseverance, patience, and confidence increase, preparing us for unfortunate events. Learning driving opens up a dozen of career options such as car racing, delivering, driver, and driving instructor, etc. A driving license is counted as a legitimate identification document for which learning is a prerequisite. Driving restrained us from pulling a vehicle, making us self-dependent. In this fast-moving world, it helps us match up with the speedy immediate surroundings. Thank you for watching. For more, visit our site www.carlearner.com.